Hello children, Sairam. Welcome back to Social Studies class. In our today's session, we are going to do the revision. So very soon we will be having our Essay 2 exams. So Social Studies portion is here on the screen. Chapter 11, Recording and Communicating Knowledge. Chapter 15, Natural Disasters. Chapter 17, the United Nations, and Chapter 21, our government. Children, you have to read all these 4 chapters. Okay. Any kind of the question may be asked from any part of the chapter. So read the chapters thoroughly. Then after every chapter we have words to remember. Okay. So you also have to read all the words. Then read the exercise which is there at the end of the chapters. And even notes you have to read. That is question and answers. Revision is based on the paper pattern. Now for the exam, the question as well as options will be given to you. You just need to click on the correct option. Clear? Like how we had the previous exams similarly. Now let us start with our revision. Question 1. Select the correct option to fill the blanks. Number 1. The Rajya Sabha is presided over by the dash of India. And here are the options. Option A, President. B, Vice President. C, Prime Minister. D, Governor. Yes, children, recall what is the correct answer. Okay. The correct option is B, Vice President. The Rajya Sabha is presided over by the Vice President of India. So read the question properly, read all the options and then click on the correct option. Don't be in a hurry to finish up with your paper. Okay. Next. Number 2. In ancient India, knowledge was mostly passed on dash. Option A, by drawing. B, by printing books. C, orally. And D, by writing on paper. Yes, children, recall what is the correct option. Yes, C is the correct option. That is orally. In ancient India, knowledge was mostly passed on orally. Okay. Now, question number 2. Select the correct alternatives by stating true or false. So, here you have to read the statement, understand well, and then you have to identify, that is, you have to click on the correct option whether the statement is true or false. Number 1. Diseases are likely to break out after floods due to hygienic conditions after the flood waters recede. Yes, children, tell me, is this statement true or false? Yes, this statement is false because the diseases are likely to break out after floods due to unhygienic conditions. Okay, due to unhygienic conditions after the flood waters recede. So this statement here is false. Number 2. The only aim of the UN is to prevent wars. A, true. B, false. Yes, B is the correct option. that is false. The UN focuses on different aims such as develop friendly relations between nations, to encourage respect for human rights and freedom of all the people, to achieve international cooperation in solving economic and social problems, etc. So here this statement is false. Question 3. Name the following by selecting the correct option. Number 1. The main lawmaking body of the country. So here you have to read the statement, understand, and you have to name. Okay, you have to click on the correct name. The main lawmaking body of the country. Here are the options. A. The Supreme Court. Option B. The Parliament. C. The Police Department. And D. The constituencies. Yes. Where are the laws made? Okay, laws of the country made. Yes, absolutely correct. Very good. Option B is the correct answer. That is the Parliament. The main law-making body of the country is the Parliament. Good. Very good, children. Next, number 2. A system for writing a language for the people who cannot see. Yes, children. Options are here. A. Alphabet. B. Pictorial. C. Phonetic. And D. Braille. Correct. D is the correct option, that is Braille. A system for writing a language for the people who cannot see is the Braille. Okay. Question 4. Select the odd man out. So children, out of 4 options, one option will be something different. Okay. And other 3 options will be related to a particular topic. So odd man out you have to select. Option A, deforestation. B, flood. C, tsunami. And D, earthquake. Yes, you can correlate these 3 topics, that is flood, tsunami and earthquake are related to natural disasters, isn't it? Whereas deforestation means cutting off trees. Okay, so this is something different, and this is odd man out. Clear, children? This is odd man out, so you have to click on option A, deforestation. Question 2. Permanent house. B, Council of States. C, House of the People. And D, Upper House. Yes, children, try to link all these options to particular topic. Yes, permanent house, Council of States, House of the People and Upper House. Which is the odd man out? So permanent house is related to Rajya Sabha, correct? Council of States again Rajya Sabha, Upper House again Rajya Sabha. What about House of the People? Lok Sabha is also called as House of the People. So here this option is something different. Correct na? All other options are talking about Rajya Sabha, whereas option C is talking about Lok Sabha. Correct? So C is odd man out. Clear, children? So here we come to the end of our session. Remaining questions we shall continue in the next session. Until then, do take care of yourself and study well. Goodbye.